Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting, an end-to-end generative AI project using the latest and greatest Llama 3.1 model. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this video will guide you through the entire process from setting up your environment to building a full GenAI system. So buckle up because we're about to get hands-on with some cutting-edge AI technology. Let's jump right in. Before we get into the technical side, let's briefly cover what Llama 3.1 is. Developed by Meta, Llama 3.1 is one of the most advanced language models designed for natural language processing. It's optimized to generate human-like text based on the input data it's given, just like GPT models. What makes Llama special is its efficiency and ability to be fine-tuned for specific tasks. And that's exactly what we'll explore today, building and fine-tuning a custom generative model. Here's the roadmap for today's project. 1. Set up the environment for Llama 3.1. 2. Prepare the dataset. 3. Fine-tune Llama 3.1 on custom data. 4. Deploy the model. 5. Test the generative capabilities by asking some cool questions. By the end, you'll have a fully functional generative AI system tailored for your own use case. Step 1 is setting up the environment. We'll use Python, some machine learning libraries, and the Llama 3.1 model weights. First things first, make sure you have Python 3.8 or higher installed. Open up your terminal and create a virtual environment with the following command: bash python mvenv llama_project. Now, activate it. Bash source llama_project/bin/activate hash for Mac, Linux, Llama project scripts. Activate hash for Windows. Next, we'll install the necessary libraries like PyTorch and Hugging Face's library, which we'll use to interact with the Llama model bash pip install torch transformers. Finally, download the Llama 3.1 model weights from Hugging Face or Meta's repository and load it into your environment. Now that we have the environment set up, let's talk about the dataset. For generative AI projects, the dataset is crucial because it trains the model to generate specific types of content. You can either use a pre-existing dataset or create your own. In our case, we'll use a publicly available dataset of text like Wikipedia articles, or even fine-tune it for more specialized domains like medical literature, code generation, or even creative writing. Here's how to load your dataset using the library from Hugging Face. Python from datasets. Import load, _dataset =load dataset, Wikipedia, 202203001, and you can also pre-process the text, tokenizing it into a format that Llama 3.1 can understand. Python from transformers import Llama tokenizer =Llama tokenizer.from_pre-trained, path _to _Llama _model E, tokens =tokenizer, dataset text, return _tensors =PT, truncation =true, padding =true. The pre-processing step ensures that the data is clean and in a consistent format. Now for the exciting part: fine-tuning Llama 3.1. Fine-tuning is where we take the general knowledge in Llama and tailor it to your specific task, whether it's chatbot responses, generating text for blogs, or even creative writing. For this, we'll use Hugging Face's API, which simplifies the process. We set up our training loop as follows. Python from transformers import Llama 4 causal LM, trainer training arguments model =Llama 4 causal_from pre-trained, path _to _Llama _model, training _args training arguments, output _dir =/results, num _train _epochs =3 per _device _train _batch _size =8, save _steps =10 _1000, save _total _limit =2, trainer trainer model model args training _args, train dataset tokens train, eval dataset tokens test, trainer train. This script fine-tunes the model on your dataset. You can adjust parameters like the batch size or number of epochs to fit your needs. Once your model is trained, the next step is deployment. You can host your model using platforms like Hugging Face Spaces, AWS, or even on your local server. Here's a quick overview of how to deploy the model using Hugging Face Spaces. First, upload your trained model to Hugging Face Hub and create a new space. You can then create an API endpoint where users can interact with your model, sending it prompts and receiving generated responses in real time. Now let's have some fun and test the model. I'll ask it a few questions and let's see how well it performs. Here's the first prompt. Write me a 200-word story about a robot learning to dance. And here's the output. Looks pretty solid, right? The possibilities here are endless. You can ask your model anything from creative tasks to problem solving, and it will generate text based on the knowledge it learned during fine-tuning. And that's it. You've just built a full end-to-end generative AI system using Llama 3.1. From setting up the environment to fine-tuning and deploying the model, we've covered everything you need to start experimenting with GenAI yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more AI content, and hit the bell icon to get notified when we release new videos. Drop your comments below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.